welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be using the Morphe 35B palette, which is this one right here and the colors right here. I'm really excited to be doing this look for you guys today. I haven't tried it yet, but I've seen some kind of photos and videos of people doing it, so it doesn't look too hard. But all my videos of me are just literally trying new things. I've never practiced these before, so you guys are just gonna witness me winging it too. So I'll have fun with it. Alright, so here we go. The first color I'm gonna end up using is this one right here. It's like a blue-green, so it's really pretty when I swatched it. And I'm gonna start by putting it on my outer. Alright, so the next color I'm gonna end up using is this dark green all the way down at the very bottom. And this I'm gonna transition into this blue color that I just did. Alright, so the next color I'm gonna end up taking is this green right here. And I'm going to apply that next to the color I just did. And see, I'm leaving room right under my eyebrow, so I'm not putting the color all the way up on the eyebrow. And I'm gonna pack on some color, and then I'm gonna like blend it together, even though this is kind of like blending it for me. Alright, so now I'm gonna take my blender brush and just gonna kind of blend these colors in together. Ooh, I really like how this looks so far. Okay, there's that. And now I'm gonna take the yellow, and it's gonna be this one down here at the very corner of this. Oh, this is popping. Okay, I really like this so far. I'm gonna apply the colors underneath as well. So that's how I did this. I'm gonna touch it up with some of my foundation and stuff, and then I'm gonna show you guys the final product. I'll put my lashes and my eyeliner on, and I will film the final product for you guys. So I will be right back. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this whole video. I can show you the products that I used. I used the Fenty eyeliner, of course. Like I say in every video, I can't live without it. I used the Alley Crown fake lashes that I got from Amazon for $8. I also used Caution. After I put on my fake eyelashes, I go over with mascara. I know some women put on mascara before their fake eyelashes, but I had like such long natural eyelashes that they like curl and they just look funny. But I have the Kiss Strip Adhesive for the lashes, and I also used my Urban Decay Eye Primer. You can't live without it. My Precisely Brow Pencil, I used the color 4.5 from Sephora. It was $24. And Fenty Beauty foundation. I'm really white, so I use 110. Anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'd love some feedback. I absolutely had fun doing it. Let me zoom in here. Oh yeah. Definitely had fun doing this look for you guys. So Please tell me if you like it, and I look forward to doing more videos for you guys. So thanks for watching.